scooper duper pushy scoopy scrapey thingy. Okay, so hear the bells. Bwomp, womp, womp, womp. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kima, for Kimberlee, the brand darling, and today we're starting the kitchen renovation.
Yeah.
Make sure you go ahead and like this video for me, subscribe, leave a great comment, and turn on those notification bell buttons, okay? Hit it twice. Please give this video a like. It really helps my channel out. It's gonna push me up in the algorithm, honey. And you know we need more faces like me pushed on up in the algorithm, girl. I have my notes. Dun, 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 dun. So, firstly, kitchen reno. It's probably gonna be about 4 phases to this kitchen renovation, kitchen update. We have cabinets that need to be done, backsplash, countertops, floors, decoration. So that's like 4 to 5 installations episodes in this series. So the first thing we're going to work on today is the backsplash. My design situation, my design, I guess it's just my design. My design is going to be based around the brown cabinets because the brown cabinets is what it is, honey. And brown is one of my favorite colors, not this shade of brown, girl. But we're going to try to refinish them. Let's talk about the backsplash. Now, the backsplash is about 30 square feet from here all the way going around. I want to start with the backsplash for the stove. As you can see, the wallpaper has already been ripped off here months ago, and it's just ready to be toweled down. Let me show you the towel. These are the towel pieces that I am using. They're just like regular white Subway long towels. I think they're clay. They give porcelain on the front, but as you can see, the back is very like clay-like. So I'm not 100% sure what that may be, but all I know is I'm using it, darling. This is going here. It is 12 by like 2.5. I have 6 boxes of it, 22 pieces per box, 5 point something square feet per box, okay? I paid $20 for 6 boxes of Subway towel. Do you know how expensive Subway towel is? And where did I get it from? For the people who have been following me, you already know that I got it from the thrift store. I got it from the Faith Home. You just cannot beat the deal. I purchased this scooper duper pushy scoopy scrapey thingy. Not too sure what it's called, or maybe it says it on here. This is a trowel, a notched trowel. And then I bought me some spacers, 3mm, to space the towel out. I also bought this brand of mortar, which is VersaBond, 50-pound in gray. I would prefer to use a white mortar, but white is more expensive. And I'm going to use a darker grout anyway, so I don't think that's going to matter too much. I haven't bought any grout as of this moment. It's because, honey, I just gotta see what I can see. You know what I'm saying? You can't go in the store and give them all your money.
They took all my money.
You gotta see what happens, you know what I mean? So I wanna towel everything and then I wanna go in and grout. Now, let me show you some of my inspiration. Classic would be this beautiful way. Love this. And I also love the dark grout. And then you can see in here, it has like some texture in the stone. So I think that is beautiful. I love this detail, like the Subway with the vertical and the horizontal. I feel like this kind of leans more farmhouse in my opinion, but I think this is beautiful as well. Love the gray countertops with it as well. Everybody don't need marble. Everybody can afford marble, and everything doesn't look good with marble. Everything does look good with marble. It does. Lastly, I'm obsessed with herringbone. Like, that's gorgeous. You see how they got it lined up in the corner? Oh my god, that would literally drive me crazy trying to cut all of that out. I know for my first time laying towel, I want to keep it super simple and just lay them Subway straight across, grout them. In the future when I lay more towel, I'll do more intricate and more detailed things with my towel. Especially if I'm getting 6 boxes for $20. You can't beat that. I also purchased a towel saw. Ah! Y'all can't really see it, but here it is. You will see me use a towel saw. I purchased a towel saw off Facebook Marketplace for $40, and I also got the gentleman who sold it to me to show me how to work it. All right, so since I'm just working on the stove part, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna pull the stove out a bit. I'm gonna take the light switch off, and then I'm going to degrease the stove, period. I'm dreaming of a weighted burrito. I'm going to take this crud cutter and I'm going to wipe the wall down. I'm actually going to use this fantastic multi-surface disinfectant degreaser by SC Johnson because it's actually a degreaser. That crud cutter, I don't think it's too much of a degreaser. Now, I'm gonna let that dry and we're gonna start working on this mortar. Once I read the descriptions, once I read the directions and get my mixture together, I'm gonna show you so that you know exactly what's going on. Period. My fucking arm go. Alright you guys, so I have mixed my mortar with water and let it sit, and now we have to do a skim coat first and then we're gonna go in with a thicker coat. Watch me. Okay, so we have a skim coat on. We are literally doing this. We doing it, girls! Oh my god, you guys, it's coming together quite fascinatingly. It's starting to get a little cricket because I wanted to go in and put the towels that I didn't have to cut in first, but some of these are starting to lean since there's nothing over here on the side to help them stay up. So it's time to try to cut some towel over here. Put my glasses on. Safety first. Okay, and now I got this and I've marked it over here what needs to cut out, so hopefully I do this correctly. This is supposed to stop the water from getting on you, but I can't see. Alright, so I've made it more than halfway up, and let me tell you something. It's been messy. I should have got the pre-made grout, but it wouldn't have been nearly as much. It would have been enough, but it wouldn't have been as much, and it would have been more expensive. I have been working it out. I'm trying to keep it clean. It's very hard. Some of these I have to pull out because I have so much grout coming out of the seam, and I have to take my nail and like kind of push it in. The grout is easily wipeable, offable. You just need so much stuff. You need water for this, water for your hands. So I'm about to go in with the next row, and I'm going to start putting my spacers. I was going to use pennies for my spacers, but I decided to buy real spacers. This right here, what we did before, it is like drying, so this gives something for the towel to stick to, and then once you put the mortar on the back of the new towel, it like helps it stick better. I didn't understand why I had to do a skim coat, but you know, I like to follow the instructions. And then like, I'm a person who hates for my hands to be dirty from anything, cooking, cleaning, whatever the case may be. This you just really have to deal with it or wear gloves. I'm gonna put this one in the middle here. Is it in the middle? And then we're gonna fit right in. So I'm going to just put my mortar on the back. If I've been calling this grout, I'm sorry, this is mortar. And you wanna make sure you get in your corners. It's just like when you put lashes on. You wanna make sure you get in your corners. You wanna thick it up a little bit. Run your trowel through it so it can have some channels to dry. All right. You want the sharp edge that you cut to go on the outside. All right, you guys, so according to the stove, not according to the stove, but as far as the stove backsplash, I only have one more piece to do that's left. It's already cut and ready. All I gotta do is put the whore on there. Up, up, up. She's a little too wide. Let me cut her down. Damn. All right, now it should fit after I have cut it down. Should fit right up in there. And it does. Space her out. Go ahead and space her up. All right, guys, so this is done. I'm about to wipe it down with a wet cloth to get all the mortar off the towel. And then we're gonna move on. Alright, so now we're about to start under these cabinets right here. Period. You can see I've already did it over here. And now I'm taking my degreaser and I'm just gonna wipe this down. We're gonna let that dry and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna start attacking it. I'm using little seasoning bottles that hold them up. And then I'm gonna put this one in right here. I'm telling you, this bitch, she sits quick. The last one for this side. And you know, this one I got a hole to get it in there correctly. Skinnamarink dinky dink. Skinnamarink doo. I love you. Just gonna hold it. I will see y'all tomorrow when I start working on the sink side. Hi guys, it's the next day. It's actually Christmas and I'm having so many issues right now, child. It's cold, the heat ain't working downstairs. The drain in the kitchen is clogged up, so I can't cook anything. So I said I might as well just start working on these stupid ass towels. Now I need to go in and peel off the wallpaper and take off the switches and do this side, and then we'll be done toweling. So let's do it. I didn't tell y'all that I got a new screwdriver, battery, electric. Period. Look. Okay guys, before we start our goddamn fire, let's move on to over here so we can start doing the things. Just so you know, it's always better to turn the power off when you're working with the electrical outlets, okay? Don't be like me, be better than me, okay? Whew. Alright, so I've completed this side. Now it's time to do the sink. What I didn't realize is I should have cut this piece out instead of cutting it all the way down. I should have cut this piece out so it could continue to here. And I should have did this one the same way, cut this piece out instead of cutting it down. But hey, it is what it is. What the fuck? All right, guys. Oh my goodness, we have toweled the whole entire kitchen. I've done some extra little towel work. I've done the towel up there at the top. The last time you saw me, we was working on up here. I have done that. Okay, I've just been a little busy. So the next to the last step is to grout. Simple grout, pre-mixed grout in a natural gray. It's the grout that I got this from Ace Hardware. Thought about trying to find a brown grout, but you can't really find brown grouts. You can dye grout, so I could have got a white grout and dyed it brown, but they would just sound like a little extra too much work for me, girl. And I use a putty knife to grout it as well. Then I'm gonna take the sealer by Towel Guard. Oh my God, I did all of this. It wasn't even recording. Oh my God. I am such a bad YouTuber. Yeah. All right, this bucket is empty. I still have about 5 feet to go, so I'm gonna have to get a new bucket tomorrow. I'm just about to go ahead and start wiping everything off. Guys, trust me, there are plenty of things that I could do better on my next time laying towel, especially the corners and continuing under the windows and stuff like that. But for my first time, I am truly proud of myself. You know what I'm saying? So if you ever want to lay towel, honey, find you some towel, get on Facebook Marketplace and find you a cheap towel cutter and go ahead and get that thing done yourself. This probably cost me, with the mortar, the grout, the towel, and the towel cutter, it probably cost me less than $150. I will list all the products down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you next week.